Today we're joined by Shape Med Centers located in Ballantyne. And if you've been struggling to eliminate stubborn fat and build muscle, here is your chance to learn more about Emsculpt NEO. We have John Keene, the operations director at the Ballantyne location here. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, thanks for inviting me. I appreciate it.
So excited to learn more about this today. So Emsculpt NEO.
Yep.
What is it? Break it down for us.
I'll give you the quick 30-second elevator speech.
I like it.
So Emsculpt NEO is basically a body shaping treatment that is non-invasive, no cutting, no needles, no surgery. You basically lay there and this device will eliminate up to 30% of your fat layer while simultaneously increasing muscle tone and mass by up to 25%.
That's incredible.
Yeah. So you've probably heard of cool sculpting things in the past. This is the newest version of that. It doesn't use cold, it actually uses heat. So radio frequency, it's actually high intensity focused electromagnetic energy stimulates the muscle fibers. It gives you about 20,000 crunches in about 30 minutes. 20,000 crunches in 30 minutes.
That is incredible. I want to show people a little bit about how this works. If we could maybe lift some of these up here.
Sure.
So here you go. I'll hand this over to you.
Our machine is busy all the time, so I couldn't bring the machine, but I brought in some of the applicators we use. So we treat all different areas of the body. So we treat the abdomen, we treat the flanks right here, love handles they call them. Under the arms, the bat wings, inner and outer thighs, gluteus maximus. I mean, we basically treat almost every area of the body that people have issues with. And what happens is this applicator will just kind of form fit to the body.
Oh my gosh, cool.
We basically put it down, do one on each side. You're laying in a bed watching Netflix, having a glass of wine.
Oh, I love it.
And this machine is reducing your fat layer by 30% while simultaneously increasing muscle by 25%.
And what does it feel like? I mean, is there any pain? Is there any, are you just kicking back and relaxing?
You're kicking back and relaxing. And you will feel a little heat because what we do is we kill the fat cell with heat. So it uses radio frequency to kill the heat. So it'll be a little bit warm, but nothing crazy. When the actual electromagnetic energy kicks in and you start feeling the crunches, you'll see your muscle actually contract over and over again. So you'd think maybe the next day you'd be sore, right? If you did 20,000 crunches, you wouldn't be able to walk the next day. But what this machine does is it constantly is also kicking out lactic acid, which builds up, which causes you to feel that soreness. You feel no soreness the next day. Any
downtime for this, or are you back to normal activities? Because 20,000 crunches, but
you think you'd be down for the count.
Right.
So you can head right back to work. It's a 30-minute treatment. We normally do. The FDA has approved it for 4 times. Wow. We like to let our patients come in at least 6 times because we feel like we get better results by giving them an extra 2. So a lot of promotions we do, you buy 4, we'll give you 2 more for free because we want you to do at least 6. And 30 minutes and you're done.
Well, I want to take a look at some of the before and afters here as well, because it's really incredible to see the difference that this makes. So how long does it take to be able to get the final results that we're seeing like this? So
that's one of the questions everyone asks, right? How can I walk out and all of a sudden I'm skinny? No, it takes a while for the body basically to release all those fat cells. So during the course of those 4 to 6 weeks, so you come in once a week, right, for up to 4 to 6 weeks. It will kill those fat cells, and it takes the body about 8 to 12 weeks to fully release all of those dead fat cells to show the shrinkage. Your muscles will start to strengthen almost immediately. You'll feel better. Your core will be stronger. It's a pretty much a miracle device. It really is.
It really seems like it. So you can go to shapemedcenters.com for more information. Ask them about this treatment and maybe go in and get your journey started. Thank you so much for being here today. This is incredible.
I'm glad to share it with you. Thanks.